In this video, I'll introduce you to the Inventory Manager and explain what it is and how it can help you become more efficient. The Inventory Manager serves two primary functions. It provides a way to organize product and product warehouse information, and it allows you to perform bulk actions on products, from changing product status to reordering for product warehouses. Let's take a look at how to use the Inventory Manager. You can open the Inventory Manager from the Inventory menu, or by clicking the Inventory Manager icon on the toolbar. At the highest level, the Inventory Manager is organized by different bars located in the View menu. By default, there is a Product Classes bar, Product Types bar, Warehouses bar, and Restocking bar. Each bar is made up of a collection of buttons which further organize product warehouse information. For example, the Product Classes bar includes buttons which represent the different product classes assigned to products. In my company, these include accessories, equipment, furniture, and more. We can also view products by warehouse. Acctivate will automatically create a button for each warehouse so that you have product and inventory visibility per warehouse. Within a button, I can choose how I want to group or sort products. For example, in the Dallas warehouse, I may want to quickly group by item type. To do that, I can drag and drop the column header into the grouping panel. I can add quick filters, such as filtering on products in this button which have some quantity on a purchase order. To create a filter, simply locate the field that you want to filter on, in this case on PO. Change the operator type, in this case I'll set it to is greater than, and then I'll enter a value of 0. You can add additional filters, but in this case I'll click Apply and return to the grid to see my filtered list. And I can also search for products with certain values. For example, searching the grid for A0 filters the rows down to those which have a match. I can also make my own bars and buttons, which allow me to repeatedly see the product warehouse information that I want to see. To create a custom bar and button, we'll open the Inventory Manager configuration window. I can start by copying an existing bar, or I can create my own. I'll name this one My Products. Next, I need to give the button a name. I will filter on products priced by pound, so I'll name my button Priced by LB. The default criteria is good, but I need to add one more. I want to add list price unit as a field to filter on, and I'll select the unit of pound. I see a preview of the results below, but let's close the configuration screen and take a look at my custom bar. Now, whenever I need to see a list of my products priced by pound, I can come to this button. We've seen the different ways to view product information. Let's take a look at how we can perform actions on these products. Let's take a look at the Restocking bar. The Restocking bar is arguably the most important view of product information in the Inventory Manager. It acts as an alert system to show you all the products which have met the criteria of needing to be restocked. The first button is configured to show all products that need to be restocked by either reorder or by building as an assembly. Let's take a look at the Reorder button, which only shows products which need to be reordered. First, I need to check off the rows which I want to perform an action on. I'll select the column header to check all the rows. Now the action menu becomes enabled and I can perform actions on these selected rows. From the action menu, I can select Create Reorders. This loads all the selected products into the Create Reorders window. For more information, check out our video on reordering. Similarly, if I have assembly products selected, I could load them into our Create Assemblies window. I can also print product information and print product labels and product barcode labels. Next, I can batch update product statuses. For example, I may know that I'm no longer going to carry the out-of-stock products. I can select these products and use the Change Status window to make them inactive. I can update multiple statuses at a time. Likewise, I could select the low-stock products that I don't plan on replenishing and mark them as discontinued. Alternatively, I can remove products from warehouses they're no longer stocked in. There are some requirements, such as I have to have 0 inventory and it can't be used on any open transactions for that warehouse. When making bulk changes to products, I may want to add a note to the product so I have a record of the change. For example, I may want to record that I'm going to discontinue these products. I can type in a note and click Save and Close, which will add a note to all of the selected products. The Inventory Manager's ability to present product and warehouse information in a configurable manner makes it a powerful tool. Whether you need visibility into inventory availability, costs, stocking levels, or products which need to be reordered, or need to perform bulk actions on products, it offers the flexibility and control to manage inventory efficiently.